Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about survival mode versus luxury living. Confused that you are on a wrong channel? Don't be, because this is the analogy that I will be using to help you understand the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Imagine yourself living in a tent versus a five-star hotel. That is the exact difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So let's dive in. This is a typical prokaryotic cell, and I have compared this with a tent. So, first of all, prokaryotes, these are the OGs of Earth, simple, single celled, and living in survival mode. For example, bacteria cell, which is a prokaryotic cell. As you can see, they have no nucleus in their cell, and there are no specialized organelles. They do have a DNA, but since there's no nucleus, this DNA is just sitting inside the cell in an open space. They do have plasmids. As you can see, these tiny ribbon-like structures, the purple one, these are tiny extra DNA rings that acts like Swiss Army knives to help them survive during tough environments. There's no fancy kitchen or mitochondria here. So I'm comparing a fancy kitchen in this tent and mitochondria in bacterial cell. So just the very basic and bare essentials are available in a bacterial cell or a prokaryotic cell. Now let's move to eukaryotic cells, which is comparable to a five-star luxury living. So eukaryotes can be animal cells or plant cells. Here you can see that they have a defined nucleus in their center, and the DNA information is preserved in this nucleus. They also have specialized organelles, as you can see, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, and many other. Your DNA is safe inside the nucleus. It's not lying on the floor. There's also presence of mitochondria, which you can see as a powerhouse. Mitochondria in general is known as the powerhouse of the cell. So see it as the hotel's generator room for supplying constant energy. This is a typical animal cell. Now let's move to a typical plant cell structure. So a plant cell, you can see it as an all-inclusive resort. In addition to having a nucleus, a mitochondria, and many other specialized organelles, they also have chloroplast, you can see over here, which acts as a solar power, a cell wall to provide extra layer of protection or security, and a vacuole, this larger structure, for storage of energy. So this is how eukaryotes and prokaryotes are different from each other. Now, from the exam point of view, you can remember this as a rhyme. Pro means low, that means low technology, tiny, no nucleus. Pro, low. U means new, which means newer, bigger, and have a nucleus and other cell organelles. New, U. So we, like you and me, all the plants, they all are eukaryotes, and bacteria are prokaryotes. Which one would you rather live in? A tent or a five-star hotel? Drop a comment and subscribe for more GCSE shortcuts. Thank you.